So we got to Botswana today and we're getting straight to things right away with a quick river safari for the sunset on the Chobe River.
The next day we woke up bright and early for a morning safari.
So after a few days of exploring the Chobe National Park, we are off to the Okavango Delta for what we're calling a wilderness experience. We have to canoe in past hippos and crocodiles, and then we're going to be doing some rugged camping. So no electricity, no bathrooms, just us in a tent, I think, maybe a campfire. Hopefully we'll survive.
We're just getting ready for our canoe trip and watching the crocs and hippos come up and down. Just got a little real, a little terrifying.
So we have learned that it's not a canoe, it's called a makoro, and they're very low to the water for water that's infested with crocodiles and hippos.
We are among the hippos.
It too much so that it won't be full fast. It's just a little, then you just go around to flush so that somebody can feel free to use it after you use it. Okay, there I am.
So we've gone on a lot of game drives and boat rides, but now we're gonna go for our very first game walk.
We survived the night camping with the hippos again, but unfortunately this morning we are heading back. The Okavango Delta has been absolutely incredible. We definitely got to experience it the best way possible by camping out in the middle of nowhere where all you could hear was the animals at night. It has been amazing. And our polar has been the MVP.
Yeah. Thank you.
Nothing quite like it.
Just having one for the morning.